that defeats AI. From the ancient manuscripts or the inaccessible screens or the classified records that cannot leave the building, Nara information for over a decade has been the theme that Korean government agencies call when standard technologies fail. We build full-stack solutions from datasets and pipelines, models and interfaces, all in-house for the hardest problems others work away. We are the architects of control, and today we are ready to bring it out of the Korea. AI has transformed medicine, education, and even defense, but the field that needs it the most, from the accessibility, archival preservation, and sensitive data, public data sectors, are still locked out. The reason is in the pipeline. Many commercial AI solutions are Swiss Army knives, which takes one path for all the data. It normalizes, abstracts, and sends your records to the cloud, just as it is like any other's data. For the hard data, that is not a trade-off you can take. This is a disqualification. And transparency and security and trust are not the features you can push in later. You need a solution built for your data from the ground up, and that is what we do. The Ada Cube is our document AI engine, built specifically for the text that current standard OCR breaks down. From old Korean scripts to cursive Chinese characters, we achieve over 95% accuracy over historical Korean and Chinese characters, with pixel-perfect character grounding, so every result is fully traceable back to its origin. This is not just an experiment. Ada Cube is currently in active deployment through a NIPA-funded national project and has received academic recognition for its contribution to document AI research. Read Voice is the next generation screen accessibility assistant for visually impaired users, one that actually understands what is on screen. Using vision language models, it reads layouts, images, and visual cues that traditional screen readers miss entirely. It then delivers faithful summaries with rigorous guidelines to prevent any misinterpretation. And there is only one key press, there's no setting, and there's no barrier here. Read Voice has been funded by KID, Korea's national agency for employment of people with disabilities. And its design has been shaped directly by feedback from visually impaired users who told us what access looks like for them. Any misinterpretation, the slightest misinterpretation is a harm in their computer use. And we built this just to solve that exact problem. We have delivered under the strict condition in the Korean public sector. No external API calls, full on-premise deployment, end-to-end ownership of data and infrastructure. That discipline is not a constraint we tolerate. That is the product that we sell. If you have any data that cannot leave your walls, users that current AI or technology ignores, or any hard problem that standard AI has already failed, we are the team for that. We are the architects of control, ready for the world's toughest data. So I wish I could talk with you later, or in other words, yeah, how should I end this?
Just say thank you for your time.
Uh-huh.
I look forward to speaking with you during that.
Okay, so let me just read to the last step. Thank you. If you have any data that cannot leave your words, users that current technology fails, or hard problems that standard AI has already failed you, we are the team for it. We are architects of control. And today, we are ready for the world's toughest data. Thank you for your time, and I do wish to talk with you in the networking. Thank you.